In a shocking incident on Dasera Day, a parking attendant was killed on the spot after an altercation with two tourists. Eyewitnesses said the tourists refused to pay parking fees, which led to the two punching and hit him, after which he fell down and started bleeding from head. The attendant was declared brought dead at the hospital. The tourists who escaped from the scene were traced and arrested at Pole checkpost in Kanakona. Anjuna police team has left for Kanakona to take possession of the accused. More details are awaited.